Dumadagundong at hiyawan sa coronation night ng Mr. and Miss Cordillera 2025 noong July 15 sa Baguio City Convention and Cultural Hall. Dito nagharap-harap ang 14 na mga kandidata para maiuwi ang corona. Unang rumampa ang mga kandidata suot ang kanilang Cordilleran attire. Sunod naman silang rumampa suot ang kanilang swimwear at formal wear. Mula sa 14 na kalahok, napili ang top 6. Ito ay sina Miss Cordillera Baguio, Ifugao, Kalinga at Mr. Cordillera Baguio, Ifugao at Benguet. Ang top 6 nasubok ang kanilang talino sa question and answer portion.
Currently, we are starting to see reimagined interpretations of traditional Cordilleran attire. How do you propose this modernized cultural wear remain respectful and authentic?
We should always remember that loving our culture doesn't have to be loud, it just has to be real. Let us remember to give importance to our culture because this has shaped our identity.
We are seeing a rise in suicide rate and mental health struggles amongst the younger generation, specifically in the Cordilleran provinces. What do you think are the major contributors to this rise, and how can you enact change as a title holder?
Me, myself, has been a first-hand scene of these issues that we're currently experiencing right now in our community. And one thing that we can do, me as an ambassador, could create a program that will reach out not only here in our mainland, but also to the remote areas who are experiencing discrimination and bullying. Through our government officials, we could also influence you to create an impact laws that will create an impact and also help those who are deprived from safety.
Sa huli, hinirang na Mr. Cordillera 2025 ang pambato ng Benguet na si Jared Lutido at si Heavenly Lawingan ng lungsod ng Baguio bilang Miss Cordillera 2025.
So grateful to be crowned as Miss Cordillera. I will surely use this platform to inflict change on those, especially to inspire my Cordillera.
Actually, right now, I'm very overwhelmed and mixed emotions. Kasi yung question po kasi tumugma sa aking past experience na yung girlfriend ko na she passed away because of the same reason na mental health.
Kaya naman, pati ang kanilang mga supporters hindi magkaumayaw nang nahirang ang kanilang mga pambato.
It's unexpected at Polino kasi we're given the facial, lahat. There is nothing Cordilleran accent sa lahat ng features niya. Pero nung nagsalita siya, nung lumaban siya sa pageant, she did it! Oh my gosh! Congratulations sa winners natin, especially si Miss Baguio, which is now
Always happy and forever grateful kasi hindi ko naman siya tinitrain pero he learned by his own.
Ikinatuwa naman ng mga organizers ang matagumpay na pagdaraos ng patimpalak.
The primary purpose of this pageant is to uplift and uphold the culture and traditions of the Cordilleras.
They are all deserving. They deserve the award. They deserve their title. They work so hard for this. So, yeah, I'm sure they will be a very good ambassador for the Cordillera.
Isa sa mga advokasya ng mga hinirang na Miss and Mr. Cordillera 2025 ay ang pagbibigay kaalaman at kamalayan sa publiko lalong-lalo na ang mga kabataan patungkol sa pagpapaunlad ng otonomiya ng Cordillera. Angel Arquero, RNG News.